There are four letters and four labeled envelopes. How many number of ways can the letters be put into the envelopes so that each is put in a wrong envelope? Now, this is a question based on D arrangement. When you are given n letters and n labeled envelopes, and we have to find the number of ways the letters be put in the envelope so that each is put in the wrong envelope. The formula for such questions is n factorial into 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial minus 1 by 5 factorial and so on until 1 by n factorial. Now over here n is equal to 4 in this question. So therefore let's solve this. So 4 factorial into 1 upon 2 factorial minus 1 upon 3 factorial plus 1 upon 4 factorial. So this becomes 4 factorial is 24 into 1 by 6, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 24. Now solving this, we get 24 into bracket 12 minus 4 plus 1, that is 24 into 9 by 24. Therefore, answer comes down as 9. So answer will be option